Okay, example 7. So again, we need to check to make sure we can multiply these. So I'm going to look at its dimensions. This first one has 3 rows, but just 1 column, so it's a 3 by 1. This matrix has just 1 row, but 2 columns, so it's a 1 by 2. So again, you check the columns of the first matrix and the rows of the second. They are the same number, so we can multiply them. Okay, the dimensions of my answer are going to be a 3 by 2. Okay, so it's going to be a lot bigger than both of these are. So I'm going to put my blanks in. So it's going to be 3 rows and 2 columns. So something like this. Okay, hopefully that's enough room. Okay, so here's a nice little trick. Not only do these numbers right here tell you if you can multiply the matrices or not, they also tell you exactly how many products you're going to have on each blank. So on the last example, it was a 2 by 2, and that middle number was a 2, and we added 2 products together. So for this one, this middle number I circled as 1, we're actually only going to have 1 product on each blank, meaning it's just going to be a number times a number, and that's it. No adding there. So this first blank, this is row 1, column 1, and you can do this if you want to, the little marks. This is row 1, column 1. Okay, these, it's a little confusing to look at these because it's just like 1 column, 1 row, okay, but again, we have to use this first one for its rows and the second one for its columns. So I'm going to look at this as 3 different rows and then 2 columns. So this first blank is row 1 times column 1. Well, there's only 1 element in this row 1, and there's only 1 element in this column 1, so that's -5 times 3. And that's it, that's all you can do. There are no other numbers in this row, no other numbers in this column, so it's just 1 product. So the next one, this is still row 1, but in column 2. So that's -5 times this column 2, -1. And then on here we have row 2, column 1. So row 2 here is 6, and then column 1 is 3. So that's 6 times 3. Over here, this is row 2, column 2. So again, that's 6, and then times -1. Here is row 3, column 1, so that's going to be this third row, 0, times column 1, which is 3. And then over here, finally, we're still in the third row. We are in column 2, so that is 0 times -1. So look, there's only 1 product on each blank, like this number we circled suggests. So you just get your answer. Okay, that's -15. That's going to be a +5. That is 18. Okay, I'm just multiplying all of these. That's 0. That is also 0. Okay, just multiply all of them, and then that is your answer.